First question. Artery is a blood vessel which carries blood. Answer options. Option A, away from the heart. Option B, towards the heart. Option C, deoxygenated blood without exception. Option D, none of these. Correct answer, option A, away from the heart. Second question. The opening of right atrium into right ventricle of human heart is guarded by. Answer options. Option A, mitral valve. Option B, pulmonary semilunar valve. Option C, tricuspid valve. Option D, bicuspid valve. Correct answer, option C, tricuspid valve. Third question. Which period of periodic table consists of elements known as typical elements? Answer options. Option A, first period. Option B, second period. Option C, third period. Option D, fourth period. Correct answer, option C, third period. Fourth question. The atomic size on moving across the period. Answer options. Option A, decreases. Option B, increases. Option C, remains the same. Option D, sometimes increases and sometimes decreases. Correct answer, option A, decreases. Fifth question. All humans start producing antibodies only after they are. Answer options. Option A, infected with the pathogen. Option B, immunized with the antigen. Option C, exposed to an antigen. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, option C, exposed to an antigen. Antibodies പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് വൈറ്റ് ബ്ലഡ് സെൽസ് ആണ്. ഇവയുടെ സർഫസിലുള്ള ആന്റിബോഡിയുമായി ആന്റിജൻ ബൈൻഡ് ചെയ്തതിനു ശേഷമാണ് ശരീരത്തിലെ ആന്റിബോഡി പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Sixth question. Size of a normal RBC is. Answer options. Option A, 10 to 15 micrometer. Option B, 15 to 20 micrometer. Option C, 6 to 8 micrometer. Option D, none of these. Correct answer, option C, 6 to 8 micrometer. Seventh question. Which of the following protein is considered to be fibrous protein? Answer options. Option A, ovalbumin. Option B, keratin. Option C, hemoglobin. Option D, protein G. Correct answer, option B, keratin. Eighth question. Adrenaline is secreted by. Answer options. Option A, adrenal medulla. Option B, adrenal cortex. Option C, thymus. Option D, none of these. Correct answer, option A, adrenal medulla. Adrenal gland നിന്നാണ് adrenaline പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇതിന് ട്രയാങ്കുലർ ഷേപ്പ് ആണ്. കിഡ്നിയുടെ ടോപ്പ് പോർഷനിലാണ് ഈ ഗ്ലാൻഡ് കാണുക. Ninth question. Which of the following quantities specifies its speed with direction? Answer options. Option A, displacement. Option B, momentum. Option C, velocity. Option D, force. Correct answer, option C, velocity. 10th question. The distance covered by an object in a unit time is called dash. Answer options. Option A, displacement. Option B, distance. Option C, average speed. Option D, average velocity. Correct answer, option C, average speed. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു.